welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. So today is the first day of my birth month, and I am so happy to share with you guys all of the videos for this month. So for this month's video is I made it everything extra. So for today's video is I'm gonna show you something so special, and I already had this in my possession for a while now, but this is the first time that I'm going to share it with you guys. So with no further ado, the item that I'm going to share with you is this beautiful item right here. So yes guys, we are gonna do an unboxing video. I already saw what's inside this bags. I just kind of tried to put the ribbon back in, but I kind of suck on it. As you guys can see in here, it's not that perfect. Anyway, this is gonna be a little bit an unboxing for you guys, but I already unboxed it, so here it is. So with no further ado, let's get started with this item. Okay, so let's just gonna try and pull this baby up. I'm just gonna put down on my laps because it's gonna be hard. I'm showing it like that. So this is what it looks like on the inside, and I'm just gonna take out this beautiful bag right here. Are you guys ready? Do you guys know what's inside this beautiful bag right here? You guys can pause this video right now so you guys can go ahead and try and guess what's inside this beautiful dust bag right here. I'm so excited to share it with you. So let me just open this up. So let's see. So there is a two handles right here, and this is what it looks like. So I think you guys already know what is bag is this one, but anyway, the bag that I'm going to share with you guys is, are you excited? Are you guys ready? Oh my god, I can't contain myself right now. So the bag that I'm going to share with you today is this this beautiful bag right here. So this is in Birkin Sellier in size 25. So I got this one in gray in trench color. So this is my first Sellier style Birkin. As you guys saw in my previous video, most of the bags that I've shown you before, it's all on the return style. So how do you guys would know if it's a Sellier or return? It is return or retourne. It's because of the stitching. As you guys can see in here, the stitching is on the outside. So I already put a twilly on her. So this is my baby. I really love this color combination. So this one is actually an extra special one because I had this one customized for myself. So this is a special order bag. So hold on, I'm trying to pull it up. So this is what the bag looks like. So this is an Epsom leather, and I got this one in gold hardware. And let me just guys show you. So it has the horseshoe stamp in here, and what it looks like on the inside. I'm just gonna remove the plastic. I also have the clochette in case in here, but usually I don't actually use this. I just kind of leave it inside the box, and this is what it looks like on the inside, pretty much like the standard Birkin. It does have one slip pocket in here, and there's also one zipper compartment at the back. So this is my first ever Birkin and Sellier style. So I really like it. It looks like it's kind of big if I'm gonna compare it to my return. Oh, you know what? Let's do a comparison between those two. Just give me a second. So I got both bags in front of me right now, so it's gonna be much easier for me to explain this because we can do a side-by-side comparison as well while I'm showing you these both bags. So here are the bags that I'm going to show you today. So this one, just like I mentioned earlier, this one is in Epsom leather, gold hardware, and this one is in the Sellier style, which means the stitching is on the outside. And then the next item right here, so this is the Birkin Return or Retournee. You guys have seen this a couple of times on my previous videos. So the stitching on this one is on the inside. As you guys can see, you can see the piping right here, and this is more like a casual look, and this one is more a little bit formal. If we're gonna put it side by side, this one looks like a tad bigger compared to this one. It's because this one is more structured and this one is more relaxed. So here it is. Now we're gonna do a side by side comparison. This is what it looks like. And then like I said and I mentioned earlier, both of them are pretty much on the same size, but this one looks a little bit higher or bigger or taller. It's because this one is more structured. And then at the bottom, pretty much it's the same. And then what else can we compare? On the inside of this bag, pretty much it's the same as well. So like I said, I got this one. This is a special order. So what do you mean by special order? Special order, it means you have the horseshoe stamp right here, which means this is a customized bag based on my preference. So this is what it looks like. I really love it so much. It's really cute. um when I saw this one in the gold color, I really wanted that one. And then I also wanted as well in the two because of the contrasting stitching. But I was like, you know what, I can't no longer get those two colors because first of all, I have those colors already, and of course this one is I already have it in the tube. And so I went ahead and did the combination in this one, and I really love the combination between these two colors. And this is like my early gift for my birthday, and I really love it so much. So I still do have some few items in my wish list right now, and I'm hoping that I will be able to get them in the future. And I'm really excited to show you guys all the videos for this month, because like I mentioned earlier in this video, is I made this super extra special because it's my birthday month and you guys are so special to me. That's why I'm making this type of videos. So thank you guys again for watching. I hope to see you guys again next time. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to my channel. And also please don't forget to hit that notification bell as well so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys again for watching. I'm wishing you all a great day, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!